In this video, I'll show you how to fix Total Wireless phone not activating. If your Total Wireless phone won't activate after following the standard activation steps, you may need to help directly from the customer support team. Before calling or chatting with support, make sure you have IMEI number, SIM card number, order number, and service PIN. You can reach Total Wireless support in several ways. By phone, dial 1-866-663-3633 from another phone. Hours are from 8 a.m. to 11:45 p.m. 7 days a week. Just do it also via online chat. Just visit totalwireless.com and scroll down and tap on chat with us. And also by social media by messaging at Total Wireless on Twitter or Facebook. For help, just explain the issue clearly and follow the support's instructions. If nothing works, ask the agent about escalating your case or requesting a replacement SIM or device.